In today's video, we'll be discussing an important aspect of hard drives: how to determine whether your drive is configured as MBR, Master Boot Record, or GPT, GUID Partition Table. Understanding this can be crucial when working with drives, especially when dealing with compatibility or partitioning. Let's dive into the steps to check if your drive is MBR or GPT. If you're using Windows, you can utilize the Disk Management tool. Right-click this PC or My Computer, select Manage, and then under Storage option, select Disk Management. Here, you'll see your drives listed. Right-click on the drive in question and select Properties. Under the Volumes tab, you'll find the partition style, which will indicate whether it's MBR or GPT. In my case, it's MBR, and there you have it. Understanding whether your drive is MBR or GPT is essential, especially when setting up a new drive, ensuring compatibility during USB bootable process, or troubleshooting partitioning issues. Hopefully, this tutorial helped clarify this aspect for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.